Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon patties. First, you'll want to gather your key ingredients. You'll need canned salmon, which is a convenient and budget-friendly choice, along with eggs and breadcrumbs to act as binders. Don't forget to chop some fresh herbs like dill or parsley for a burst of flavor. Finally, have your basic seasonings ready, such as salt, pepper, and garlic powder, to enhance the taste of your patties. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to mix and shape. Start by flaking your drained canned salmon in a large bowl, removing any larger bones or skin if desired. Then, combine it with your eggs and breadcrumbs, mixing gently until just blended. Incorporate your fresh herbs and spices to build that delicious flavor profile. Finally, form the mixture into patties, aiming for a thickness of about 1 inch to ensure even cooking. Once your patties are shaped, it's time to cook them to golden perfection. A popular method is pan-frying in a skillet with a few tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat, cooking for about 3 minutes per side until crisp and browned. For a healthier, less oily alternative, you can bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Or, try air frying at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes for an extra crispy texture. Your delicious salmon patties are ready to be enjoyed. For a simple yet effective touch, serve them with a fresh lemon wedge to brighten the flavors. They also pair wonderfully with a creamy dill sauce or a classic tartar sauce for an extra layer of richness. You can even enjoy them as a burger on a bun or alongside a fresh salad. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade salmon patties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.